In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can sign up to this one simple e-commerce website and create online stores like this and sell products all over the world. And the best thing about this is you don't need to start with a single cent, and you can run this business from the comfort of your home without any monthly fees or without spending any money on this. Take a look at this example over here. Pretty sure a lot of South Africans would know this website, evetech.co.za. But I want to let you in on a secret that this website uses that you don't even know about. Most of these products, 90% of them, aren't even in stock. What they simply do is they come over to their suppliers, an example of Rectron.co.za, which is a local supplier in South Africa of computing parts. The more known worldwide supplier being AliExpress and Alibaba.com, and another supplier called Pinnacle. Now what this website does is they come over to their supplier's website, they come over to their product section and their solutions section, and they simply list their products on their own website. So when they get a sale, their sale is automatically transferred to the supplier, which is then delivered to the customer. And all Rectron is doing is keeping their profits and markup that they've added to the product as the retailer. But why don't people just go and buy directly from the supplier? Well, these suppliers only distribute to businesses. They don't distribute to the end consumer. So therefore, they've given opportunity for retailers like you or me that wants to start an online store to sell to the public without the expenses of having a warehouse, stocking all of the product, making sure that the products are looked after, doing barcodes, paying staff. You don't need to do any of that because the supplier is going to be taking on all of that for you. I'm going to teach you how to put all of this together, start your own online store, get your first sale, and continuously and consistently get sales every single month. Let's dive straight into it. Hey, how's it going everybody on YouTube? My name is Jay, a full-time online entrepreneur and prop firm trader that documents my journey on my YouTube channel on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up to the simple e-commerce website, load one or two free plugins, and start and distributing products all over the world through your online store without stocking any of those products and without doing any deliveries yourself. Now, I quickly want to show you the difference between the cost of the product on the supplier's website and how much markup these retailers actually add to their product so that you can know exactly what they're making to give you an idea of what you can make per sale. So if I simply come over to let's use evetech.co.za, a simple 16 gig DDR4 RAM will cost $40. Now, if I come over to AliExpress and I go and search 16 GB RAM and I click on enter, free shipping worldwide, 16 gig, 8 gig, and 4 gig DDR4 RAM. Let me just go and select this and make sure that 16 gig is selected. The same product for 403 Rand. So therefore, evetech is plus minus, making about 70% per sale, which is a really good markup. Here is a standard 8 gig ADATA RAM stick for $499. Again, if I come over to AliExpress.com and I click on the 8 gig option, AliExpress is charging 278 Rand, including free shipping. So therefore, evetech is plus minus, making again about 80% per sale. So that seems to be the ballpark of what the markup is on the products. And I will be honest, evetech is one of the most competitive and cheapest pricing retailers in South Africa. So these are the guys you want to beat to be the best in the country. So how exactly do we go and put this together? How do we sell this product? How do we promote it? How do we make money on our online store? Well, this is going to be step number one. We need a computer to host our online store on the internet so that the public on the internet can access our website via our URL. The number one hosting platform that I still use to this day, that I've been using for the past 4 years and that I'm going to recommend to you. I'm not an affiliate. I don't make commissions by talking about them or promoting them. I just use them myself. You simply want to come over to WordPress hosting, click on the top option, WordPress hosting, and you can scroll down over here. For $2.99 a month, you can host one website on 100 gig storage, which is all you need. And they're super cheap and you're saving up to 76%. That's the current special that they're running at the moment. So you can go and click on Get Startup, sign up with your email, your credit card, and they will then send you the login details to your cPanel, which you can simply then click on login on the top of the website over here. Once you've signed into your dashboard, there will be a product over here of your web hosting, and click on the cPanel quick login on this green button over here, which will take you to the dashboard of your hosting page. Simply click on the WordPress A2 Optimize option over here under scripts, it will load up a section where you can go and install WordPress. So click on install, click on quick install, click on your domain. So I'm just going to use this domain over here. Enter your admin username and your password and click on install. Once that's installed, scroll down, click on login as admin, and it will take you to your WordPress dashboard. The first thing we need to do with our store is add a decent theme and a shop or a computer theme to our website. Hover over appearance, click on themes, and over here, we can go and add any one of these new themes. Click on add new theme over here, and under the search theme section, we can go and search computer. Here's a perfect example of a computer shop. Click on install of this theme. Click on activate, and this theme will now be active on your website. If I come over to the home page of my website, you can see over here the theme has now been loaded. So we can come back to our dashboard. We can come over to plugins, click on add new plugin. We simply want to go and search AliExpress. Click on enter. This first product over here called the ALD, the dropshipping and fulfillment for AliExpress and WooCommerce. Click on install. Secondly, go and search WooCommerce. Click on enter. Click on install now. Now WooCommerce is the online platform that we're going to be using to create our online store, add our products from AliExpress, and accept payments on our checkout. So those are the two prime plugins that we need, which will take about 5 to 10 minutes to install. Click on set up my store. I'm just starting my business. Click on continue. Give your store a name. So we can, for example, go PC Parts Worldwide, or if you want to use your local country, PC Parts South Africa or United States. I'm just going to keep it generic. You can also use a name generator online. What type of industry? Electronics and computers. Where is your store located? Enter your email address. So I'm just going to enter a random email. Let's just go admin.com. Click on continue. The next page will ask you if you want to add extra features to your store, such as driving more sales with Google listings and Google ads, showcase your products on Pinterest. So these are really cool extra options. We can click on continue, and WooCommerce will automatically create your store. And the reason why we're using WordPress and not Shopify is because I like the extra features that WordPress has. You can do a lot more with your stores, and WordPress is completely open source and free. Click on no thanks on the top right hand side, and it will now take you to back to your dashboard with your WooCommerce store, where we can go and add our products, manage our orders, but don't stress, everything is going to be completely automated. Now we need to come back to plugins, click on add new plugin, and activate our dropshipping plugin. Click on next. Under your product markup, click on 80%, click on next, click on install, and report back to your import list. Once this is set up, we are now ready to go and load products from AliExpress to our own online store. Click on find product to import, go and type in RAM. Under all categories, we want to go and click on computer and office. Click on search. You will then see all of the RAM options that you can add to your store. You do need to add the install Chrome extension to your browser in order to automatically set up copying the products from AliExpress to your WooCommerce store. So click on install Chrome extension, click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension, come over to the same product on AliExpress. If it pops up with this error, please switch AliExpress currency to USD. Just click on this drop down on the top right hand side. Under currency, go and select US dollar and click on save. All right, ready to go and import. Click on import. And this product is now imported to your online store. So if you right click and click on reload over here, you will see this product has now been added. We can now go and click on import now, and it will import this product to our online store on WooCommerce. Click on view product, and it will take you to this product on your online store, where your users can then check out with the specific product. It's already loaded the title, the description, all of the pictures has already been added to your online store. So everything is automatic and automated. Now that a couple of products have been added to our store, I recommend add a couple of gaming PCs, gaming parts, gaming headphones, gaming laptops, gaming keyboards, mice, gaming monitors, and fulfill your store with quite a few products. Now the next trick that I'm going to show you is a fantastic way that you can start getting sales completely for free. So you want to come over to TikTok, and what you want to go and look for on TikTok is footage of games in real HD 4K. So let's go and search GTA V 4K, click on search, and over here you will see videos from GTA 5. For example, this video over here is quite cool, like GTA 5 with real HD graphics. We can go and copy the link of this TikTok video, come over to Google and go and search TikTok video downloader without watermark. Click on the first link over here called snaptik.app, paste your TikTok link, and click on download. Click on download. Click on download again. If there's 1 or 2 ads, just click the X over here and it will close, and create a Facebook page. Come over to Facebook and create a Facebook page. That is the same as your online store. So we would go and call this PC Parts International or PC Parts Worldwide. And all you want to go and do is repost those gaming videos in HD on your Facebook page daily. Just go and copy and paste content from TikTok. And all you want to go and add is in the comments or in the captions of your videos is link in bio to this gaming PC setup that can run these games in 4K. And the whole point of this is just to start getting traction using already viral videos that have proven to go viral to get clicks on your website and to get people buying your specific products on your website. And then you can eventually get to the point where you start to run ads in the ad center over here on specific products. Or you can add your own online store by linking that store in the bio of your page and starting to run ads directly on those products throughout Facebook. Every time you get a sale on your WordPress website, that order is automatically transferred to AliExpress, where they do all the shipping, the delivery, and the order fulfillment. You're just keeping profit as the man in the middle. This is a really fantastic and easy way to get started with dropshipping and selling products around the world, and also around content creation or outsourcing your content from already existing pages. If you guys want to learn more about specifically dropshipping, selling products online, affiliate marketing, mastering TikTok, short video platforms, how to actually go viral, I'm going to leave some of my best playlists and courses over here somewhere on the screen to my best video content that will teach you more in depth how to create funnels, how to find TikTok trends, replicate and piggyback that virality to get affiliate commissions, monetization, product sales on your website, or whatever it may be that you're trying to monetize your page with. So I recommend, if you want to dive more deeper into this and become specialized at designing these websites, you can click on one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.